So in my last video, I showed you how to summarize YouTube videos using Google Gemini. It is really fast and easy. You just need a YouTube link and it also generates timestamps, but it can only effectively summarize YouTube videos less than 30 minutes. So as you can see, after 30 minutes, it just skips out the entire chunk of the YouTube video and goes straight to 1 hour or 8 hours, which is at the end of the video. So today, I'll show you how to summarize a very long YouTube videos using another AI tool from Google called NotebookLM. NotebookLM is built a bit different because its main purpose is to study and research longer form content, whether it is for research papers, notebooks, or videos. So very easily, just go and search for NotebookLM. Just hide your sponsored result and it should be in the first link, and then it will bring you into your workspace. So here you just need to click on create new notebook and it will create an entire notebook for you. So this notebook is just for one topic that you want to understand or do deep research about. As you see, it already prompts you to upload some content or videos, websites, anything that you want to do deep research on. You can actually do more than summarizing video. It is built specifically to be your AI research assistant. So the answers for this AI chatbot is based solely on your sources or content that you put inside. So if you do not put any source, it can't generate an answer for you. So it strictly follows whatever you input it. So what we want to do today is just to summarize a very long YouTube video. So this 2 hour and 23 minutes long YouTube video is about Tesla's annual shareholder meeting. So it explains the company Tesla and Elon Musk, what it is future of the company. So what I'm gonna do is just copy its link and then go back to NotebookLM, click on upload source, and then click on website, and then paste the YouTube URL. So and click on insert. So once you paste the source, it will immediately extract the transcript and then read it and generate a short summary over here. After that, you can now start typing and prompting what you want to learn or know about the video. So for me, I'm going to just copy and paste this prompt, summarize this YouTube video into key sections. So I'm just going to upload it. As you can see, it already starts summarizing with its relevant citation. So this citation is based on the transcript that it extracted from the YouTube video. So it gives you the key points and also the summary of it. So I think the way it presents its summary is a bit messy. It is all over the place and it's very hard to read. If I ask it to generate timestamps for the video, it couldn't generate the exact timestamps. The great thing about NotebookLM is that you can actually do way more than just summaries. As you can see at the right hand side, you have the studio. You can start exploring some of the things you can do. For example, you can generate an AI podcast based on the YouTube video, generate an explainer video, mind map, reports, quiz, flashcards, infographics like that, and data table. So you can do much more with your data. So let's say I want to try to generate infographics so that it's easier for me to understand. Edit your infographic, whether what language you want to use it. You can do it standard, detailed, or more concise. You can also choose the orientation, whether you want landscape, portrait, square. You can also guide the style, whether what colors you want to use, what kind of theme, highlight the 3 key stats, anything you want. So right now we're gonna wait for it to generate the infographic once I click on it. Alright, so once it took around 2 minutes to generate, so let's look at the results. So I'm just gonna click on this source and it brings me up into a new page. As you can see, it already generates me a infographic. Here I can see that, oh, this Cybercab production is going to start in April 2026, which is the autonomous taxi from Tesla. It's pretty cool. And this also, you can see the custom AI chip to drive efficiency, as well as Tesla Semi, which I assume is the Tesla truck. So it's really helpful to see everything in just a glance. And of course, there are more things you can do here. So I would say NotebookLM is completely free with a paid option, because the free version, the limit is really high. As you can see, there's unique capacity to create 100 notebooks. Sources, you can add up to 50 sources, 500,000 words per source. So I think it's way more than we need for just a V. So I would say the free version is really generous, and I don't think we can hit the limit that easily, but if you hit the limit, just create another Google account. So there you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe if you want AI productivity content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.